Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing of my MAC gift box. I got this back in December, but I've not been able to unbox it because I've been busy. Plus there's some things that weren't here yet. So now everything is here. There was a gift voucher that hadn't been sent yet, but it got here like yesterday. I'm also having the flu, so I'm not feeling very well. So my mood is a bit down, but I was feeling like let me record since whatever I had planned for today has fallen through, so I'm a bit free today. So let me get into this, and then we'll probably do a giveaway because I had unboxed it and I found like there are two items which are similar, so probably do a giveaway like at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Just yeah, stay tuned so that you can find out how to win it, how to get it if you want it. So we're going to start with removing the cover, and then we have this very beautiful box. It's matte black with the MAC signature, and on top it came with just this card and the MAC. So the box opens up. It's magnetic, so you open it from here, there, and then this is what is inside. Yeah, that's what is inside. So there's this eyeshadow, which wasn't part of the box, but it's a MAC product which I got some time back, and I've never done a review, so I thought I'd just put it inside. But these are the official products inside the box, plus the gift voucher. So it contains 2 lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, and a highlighter, which we shall do a swatch. Okay, so first, before talking about the product inside, let's just look at the outside, which is amazing. I love this. I love the concept. I love the glitters. I love everything that shimmers, especially cosmetics. I don't like shimmery clothes or shimmery shoes, but cosmetics, because it makes your face pop. Like glitters is everything. Yeah, there's a reason why they use them at those places, you know. So the packaging is very pretty. It's the signature MAC bullet lipstick. Looks like a bullet with the shimmer and the MAC. So this is called Walk of Fame. Walk of Flame. And this is how it looks inside. Again, very pretty. The stars, and it's still shimmery. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's not really focusing. Yeah, anyway, it's very shimmery, if you can see again, and it smells really good, which is good for products. The lip glosses as well, very shimmery packaging, and yeah, just a simple lip gloss package. The highlighter is also including the concept. I think the concept was like galactic, or you know, outer world, something like that. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so let's do a swatch because I really don't want this video to drag on. So that's what it looks like with the mirror and the products. It's actually really dark. I think there were, of course, catering for like the African markets. And again, these colors are very, very friendly for like dark colors and African skin color. So this is a bit like a bronzy type. It's not like gold. And for me, since it's literally like my skin color, which is almost impossible to see because it literally matches my skin color. Yeah, but you can definitely tell that and it's very soft and very creamy, which is amazing because you don't want to look ashy, you don't want to look chalky, like the cheaper highlighters tend to look like chalky, very dusty and crusty. So again, let's just do the eyeshadow, the lipsticks and lip glosses. Then we'll move to the eyeshadow. So let's start with this pink one. It's called Starring You. And I believe, okay, it's just a normal lip gloss. Just a normal lip gloss. Yep, there it is. It's pretty, by the way. It's very pretty. It's very pink. I love pink. And the next one is Star Effa, and it's purple, which is beautiful. It's a beautiful shade. There's the color. For the lipsticks, as I said, there are two products. These are the same products. They're both Walk of Flame. So we'll do one giveaway and I'll keep one. So then this brings me to what I was saying earlier, is if you want to get this lipstick, wow. If you want to get this lipstick, just comment below, tell me why you want it or which are your favorites beauty products. If you don't have any, tell me why you want to get into makeup, and then I'll just choose by random who wins it. So yeah, let's do a swatch so that you can tell what it looks like. There, this one is the lipstick. It's very pretty, and it's not that shimmery. It's very everyday kind of look. You can wear it for like a day look at the office, and it won't be too obnoxious. So we already did this, so let's move on. I'm sorry, I'm so confused. Let's move on to the eyeshadow. So this eyeshadow we got from the MAC in the CBD. It was a gift. We're just randomly shopping and then we just stopped by. It's called Basic Beach. I don't know if they still have it because they had like very few. I think this was probably the last one, but they still have other eyeshadows. But I loved this one because the colors are very neutral and very like user friendly, like they're very diverse. Again, the packaging is magnetic, very nice, and it comes with this paper that tells you which names are which, so I will walk you through. So the big pink one sort of is called it's called Love This Bitch. So this is what it looks like. It's sort of like a whitish, maybe for like a beige color. The second one is called Game Player, this black one. Again, it's very black. It's very like the basic black color. This gray one is called Text Me Later. And again, just a normal gray color. This, ironically, I don't know if it's a brown-ish. I don't know. It's called Big White Lie, and it's, I think, like a dark, oh shit, sorry, it's a dark gray. It's a dark gray. The next one is called Miss Personality. This one here. This sort of like burgundy one is called Helen Hills. There it is. I don't know if you will be able to see very clearly because I'm holding the products and I still can't turn my hand completely. This was sort of like gray, light grayish. It's called Me Me Me. Yeah, this is really, really white. This shimmery silver is called Tattletale. Oh, this is so pretty. And finally, this last dark shimmery one is called Sly Girl. And there it is. There is the full eyeshadow, all the colors, very beautiful. You can see why I liked it. They are all very, very beautiful and neutral colors that you can work with, colors that, you know, complement your skin, especially as melanin girls, although I'm not really that melanin. But yeah, you know, black girls are not the same as white girls, so like our skin colors are not the same, obviously, so makeup will look very different on our skins, and different colors work for different shades of skin. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a comment. Tell me if you love MAC products, what you love about MAC. For me personally, I love the packaging. Like, I will buy a MAC product just for looking at it, just looking at it. And speaking of buying, by the way, I told you, like, the gift voucher came yesterday, and it's an $85 gift voucher, which means that I will go crazy shopping for makeup, and I'm very excited about it. Yeah, I might also get another product which I'll do a giveaway on, so make sure you subscribe. That one I'll just do a random, like, new subscribers random giveaway. So if you subscribe, comment below, tell me you're a new subscriber, tell me like you're new or something. Just say something to let me know that you're new and to put you in the draw. Yeah, and I think I'll see you later. I'll see you in the next video. I think maybe I'll do the next video about getting to know me, because I've never done that. There's a lot, like, people don't know about me, so I'll definitely do that. You can also suggest questions. You can ask me anything and I'll answer it in the next video. Until next time, stay gorgeous. Bye.